Trying to push me on, get mean. Oh, this and that, and this and that. Yeah, no, I'm on. Man. This man is attacking everybody.
What happened?
Stop yelling.
He came out the room, just go running up on his man.
Incident: domestic disturbance, alleged assault with a deadly weapon, location Pinellas County, Florida. Date: Mother's Day, exact year undisclosed in available footage, source police body camera obtained via public records. Parties: Eugene McGirt, resident 60+, versus Marcus Grubb, visitor son of homeowner weapon hammer, held but not deployed. Outcome: no on-scene arrest. Officer determines probable cause for aggravated assault is legally insufficient.
Over here. Don't move.
He's trying to attack everybody. That's my son. I need him to take. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. It's all right.
Can you guys wait over here and step away from that?
Get away from the hand.
Over there.
I'll take it. You want me to take it? No.
Come on over here.
This man is protecting himself. This man is attacking everybody.
What happened?
Stop yelling.
He came out the room, just go running up on this man, pushing me out my door, trying to fight this man. I'm trying to protect him. He pushed me down the stairs.
That's my mom's
He's
son.
trying to push everybody.
That's her.
I want him removed and in jail.
Okay.
I want him away from here.
I need to talk to everybody. You come
my
down, stay
God.
over here, okay?
I'm so tired, man. I'm so tired.
Is anybody injured?
No.
Does
I don't
anybody
know. I
need an
might got
ambulance?
some-
Not yet, no ma'am, because I was going to bust him in his goddamn
Okay,
head.
did anybody
I'm
get-
61 years old.
No.
Did any of you guys get hit?
No, ma'am, he kept touching me.
He was pushing him.
Walking up on me in my personal space.
Did he hit you at all?
No, he pushed me.
Okay.
Kept pushing me.
Can you talk to you first?
Yes, ma'am.
We can just wait over here. You guys can just wait over here, okay?
Stay in. This don't make no
Yes,
sense.
ma'am.
Okay. Can I get your name first?
Eugene McGirt. Here's my ID.
If they can't go to jail, he's going to jail.
This is my ID, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. He kept.
Don't need paramedics.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yeah, because you kept pushing me.
Hey, don't talk to him.
Yeah.
No,
Yes,
no, no,
ma'am.
no,
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
don't even engage with him. Don't
Yes,
talk to
ma'am.
him.
Yes, ma'am.
What's a good phone number for you, Eugene?
727
Yep.
906 1830.
1830. And this is a good address for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, here's that bag.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so from the top, what happened today? What happened before you started fighting? What
Yes,
started
ma'am.
this?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in there laying on this sofa right now. I'm relaxing.
Okay.
He coming down. He's saying whatever he had to say out of his mouth.
Okay.
And just going off on his mom. Just talking. So she telling him to stop doing what he's doing.
So they're just kind of arguing, like verbally?
Well, she
or-
wasn't arguing with him. He with the BS.
Okay.
Steady jugging at her.
Okay.
Instead of being a Mother's Day, she telling him this is not a good Mother's Day. You in here causing confrontation in here with this here instead of doing what you're doing.
Okay.
So he comes in now with the BS. She telling him to go ahead and leave. Leave.
Okay.
So I get up. Man, go ahead and leave. So he get bold and bad, talking that there. You, such and such. No. I backs away to let him, no, don't invade a personal space. I'm assisting his mom.
You're trying to help get him out of the
Yeah,
house.
go ahead and go. She telling him to go ahead and leave. Go ahead and leave. Just go for the day.
Okay.
He gets all excited and all this here. Oh, so you ain't this here? So she tries to close the door. So I get behind her and close the door. So he starts pushing her.
The front door?
Yes, ma'am.
That front door. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. He hasn't left the second door, so he coming out the front door. So she trying to close the door. So I help her. So he bogards and push. So I just release it.
So he's pushing on the door back.
Yeah.
You're trying to push back onto him.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. So he's steady going on being belligerent, disrespectful.
Okay. But at this point, besides the door pushing, no one's been hitting each other.
Nobody
Okay, keep
hit
going.
each other then.
Okay.
So he comes in.
Okay.
So I'm telling the man, go ahead and go with that there. Go ahead on, ain't nobody with that. Oh, you big and bad, you big and bad. No, I'm not big and bad. But I'm going to do something to you if you keep on stepping in my personal space. Instead of stepping in there. So I grabbed the hammer and I kept it in my hand. He pushes me. He pushed me twice outside here. I didn't say nothing. He pushed me once in there. He pushed me twice out here. So you big and bad, you big and bad. I say, no, I'm not big and bad. But I'm going to protect myself. Such and such. I say, no, I'm not big and bad. But I'm going to do something to you. If you keep on testing me, I'm going to crack you upside your head.
Did you ever swing it at him? Or
No,
anything?
no,
But
I
you just
never
had it
swung
in
it.
your hand?
Yes, ma'am, I just had it. I was doing like this here.
Where did you grab that from?
I got it off the porch with
It was
my
on the
tool-
porch.
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
tools? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
My toolbox is out there, so I grabbed it off there.
And so at this point, you're still on that like patio, that front area near the front door?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And then we come outside. So he's pushing me. We get out here. He pushed me in there at first. That's after I grabbed the hammer. I had to grab the hammer. So he pushed me. I said, okay. So you gonna continue? Okay. Don't put your hands on me. And I'm always telling them, don't put your hands on me. Don't step in my personal space. Don't do that. I don't approach you. They're always trying to approach me because the way it is, he want a lover's quarrel. I'm not into that deal. I ain't got nothing against, but I'm telling you, man, don't touch me. I'm not touching you. I'm not trying to be violent with you. But he's still coming up on me.
Okay. So he kept pushing you. Where exactly was he pushing you at?
Okay, he pushed me on the shoulder. This basically where he pushed me on the shoulder.
Okay. Anywhere on the arms? Wherever else? Like just.
Yeah, just on the shoulder.
Chest, shoulder.
Yeah, on the shoulder. This basically where he hit me, pushed me back. He ain't hit me, he pushed me.
Okay.
No, you big and bad. But his mom was in the middle.
Okay.
Stop what you doing. Stop what you telling him to get back. Stop what you doing. So he's steady pushing me, trying to push him on, get mean. Oh, this and that, and this and that. Yeah, no, I'm on. Man, go ahead on, man. Because I'm going to hurt you, man. I'm going to really bust you upside your head. I'm letting him know I'm going to hurt you. Stop coming up in this space. I'm not approaching you. He's steady coming towards me, and I'm steady backing up. His mom intervene. His sister intervene. No, stop, Marcus, stop. They asking me to step back and stop because I'm really going to hit him. Mm-hmm. He's steady trying to push forward and come forward. And I'm telling him, man, stop this here, man. Don't approach me.
I think it's for her.
And I have to keep telling you, you ain't got to approach me. If whatever you got to say, you can say it. But as far as it go, don't keep approaching me.
Okay, so how did you guys end up out here?
We stepped outside.
Who stepped outside initially? All of you? Or?
Yeah, we all came outside.
All of you just came outside?
Yeah, he came inside. I stepped outside.
Okay, and you brought your hammer with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep.
After he had them push me, and so I come outside. Man, listen, man, I'm not going to go through this with you. You're not going to put your hand on me telling me what you going to do to me. Mm-hmm. You want to fight? You want to fight? No, I don't want to fight, man. I'm trying to relax. I work. And I'm just trying to relax. I was on the sofa laying down getting me some rest and stuff.
So you got into it basically because you were trying to help her get him out of the house just on his behavior.
Yes,
and how
ma'am.
he was acting.
He actually started with me, but I ignored.
You ignored him, then he went to mom.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what's your relationship with him? I know you live here, or so he's her son, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have no problem with this young man.
Are you like? I have to ask.
I'm a family friend.
You're just a family friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm a family friend.
How long have you been staying here?
About 7 months now. I've been
7
here.
months. Okay.
Yeah, and things. About 7 months. But I have no problem.
Did you? I'm just asking because obviously I know he was pushing you. Besides the hammer, you didn't swing the hammer at all.
No,
Did
ma'am.
you push him back at all?
No, ma'am. Honestly, I try to stay away.
I'm just trying to figure out the extent of all this.
Understood. No, I try to stay away from it.
Sure.
Because that's invading personal space. You got a right to defend yourself. And I'm trying to, man, stop, man. But he know this is what I normally do when he get acting belligerent, disrespectful, and doing that. I step away. No, I'm not finna do that, man, because I already know what you're doing. Mm-hmm. He's trying to antagonize me to the point where he want me to hit him or do something so he could tell his friends he had a lover's quarrel. I don't look at that dude like that. I love women. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and honestly, nothing gay about me. Mm-hmm. And he's got an issue with that guy. And he want a man to put his hands on him physically to make it seem like he had a lover's quarrel. Mm-hmm. And this is what a lot of these homosexuals try to do, get a man to put their hands on him.
What's his name?
Marcus Grubb.
Okay.
But as far as go, I'm sorry y'all had to come out for all this here, but I was just minding my business.
That's okay. I saw you guys in the street arguing with each other, so I was just waiting for her. So.
He was hoping, like y'all ordered me to put the hammer down. I put it down. But I wasn't going to put it down while he was steady doing the cover. I was going to crack him. I really was going to damage him.
I get it, but we're here, so just
yes, ma'am.
Go ahead and wait over near this car really quick.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, if you want to just go wait back over there.
Hello, how you doing?
Hello.
I calmed down, so I'm not going to be yelling, screaming no more.
I get it. No things get heated. What's your name?
Tammy, Tammy.
I know you're getting checked out, but just from the start, what started this? What happened?
Okay, he come home.
Who came home?
Well, he came to the house because he doesn't
Marcus.
live here. I let him come here because he's homeless, and I let him take showers, eat. He's my son.
We've been out here before. So.
I don't want to let him not be able to take showers and eat. That's not me as a mother.
So has he been here recently, or he just came over for like
He came
a night?
over here. He comes over here during the day sometimes.
Okay.
Here
So
and there.
he showed up this morning.
Yeah, he came here this morning and said he wanted to eat something.
Okay.
And take a shower, whatever. So he went in the back. I gave him the back bathroom so he could take a shower back there. And it's a back It's a back door and everything, so he could just go in there, take him a shower, and leave. He doesn't even have to come through the front door.
Okay.
But instead, he does that just to irritate Gert. Gert was on the couch asleep. So when he came in, he didn't come through the back door like I asked him to. He came through the front door.
Okay.
So he's like, oh, something about Mother's Day card. I took it, I sat on the dresser. I said, Marcus, the only thing I want from you is just to have a peaceful day today because it's Mother's Day. Don't start nothing.
Okay.
He goes out to the kitchen, slamming things around. He was on the couch sleeping, cooking him a hot dog, talking to the kids, which I've asked him not to talk to the kids. Do y'all want a hot dog? Da, da, da. I said, Marcus, please, here you go again. So he goes back in the back room, and he comes back out to the kitchen again. Now he's going back and forth again. I said, Marcus, come on now. All I want for Mother's Day is a peaceful day. I don't want your card. I don't want no material things. Why can't I go back in the back thing where he was? And I said, Marcus, I want you out. I don't want you to come back here anymore because if this is what you're going to do, I just want you out. What is the problem with me going back and forth in the kitchen? Because you're making too much noise and you know what you're doing. You're irritating him. Why are you going back and forth?
Do you guys need something for her, or?
Yeah, we're good. It's second set of vitals.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, I wasn't sure if you needed her to like stop or something.
No, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
You're
You're
good.
right.
Yeah.
Usually you have to make you start talking, I know. And then you go back, he goes back there. Then all of a sudden he just flips and he comes out in the living room. He goes, okay, Gert, what's your problem? Pushes Gert on the thing. I'm trying to get
Where
in
does he push Gert?
on the shoulder. So I don't really know where he pushed
No,
him,
that's
'cause
fine, but just-
I'm standing in front of him trying to stop him, and he reached behind me and he pushed Gert.
So Gert's in the living room.
Yes, and
You're
he comes out
in
the
between
back.
them from the back.
Yes,
Okay.
he comes from the back. I follow Marcus
You follow him. Okay.
because now he's yelling at Gert. So he goes, reaches and touches Gert and says, look, I touched you or whatever. What are you going to do? So now he's coming in there trying to fight Gert in the living room. I'm in the middle of it trying to say, Marcus, stop. No. What? I don't know what his problem is, but I'm not afraid of you. So I get him to come out to this porch, and he goes back into the living room and backs Gert back up into a corner. I'm like, this is ridiculous. I'm trying to get in the middle of it. I can't overpower him. He's strong. We get him out here. I think he's coming out the door, so I kind of shut the door to try to lock it. But he pushes the door back. Okay, that's when Gert's trying to help me because we're both trying to shut the door. And he pushes the door, and then they get in another confrontation here, and he's all up in Gert's face trying to fight Gert. I'm trying to get in the middle. I'm trying to block him. I'm trying to stop him, and he won't stop. He just won't stop. So
Yep.
that's not him. And then so when he goes there, he comes. I tell him to leave, go out the door.
Okay.
He comes out the door. He comes out the door and starts wanting to fight him again. So I'm in the middle of it again. I'm like, Marcus, stop. My daughter comes out, tries to stop him. Everybody comes out and tries to stop Marcus. He's like, no. He wants to fight. Come on, Gert, and keeps running up on Gert. Gert has not swung down time.
So at what point did Gert grab that?
I can't remember because I'm so frustrated trying to get. I think off the porch. That's all.
Did you ever see him swing the hammer or anything?
Never.
You just saw him holding it.
Because I was in front of both of them the whole time.
Right. So you didn't see him grab it initially.
No.
But you never saw him swing that at him or anything.
Because I was in the middle of them.
Sure.
If he would have swung it, he would have hit me.
Sure.
Because I'm in the middle of the thing the whole time.
Okay.
Because when Marcus came out the front door, I came out with Marcus. So I was in the middle of it the whole time, in front of him, getting pushed around, which I'm not going to say he pushed me. I don't want to push. Let them two do their thing because I was in the middle of it.
So he didn't push you, or he was pushing him?
He did push me, but like I say, because I was in the middle.
Okay.
I'm not going to press charges on him myself.
Okay.
Because he's already going to get in trouble for him.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? That's just, I was in the middle. Maybe I shouldn't have been in the middle, but I didn't want anybody to get hurt. You know what I'm saying? But he did. He was trying to push me out of the way to get to him.
Let's try to keep it
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. To try to get out the way. I was trying to get them to stop. He wasn't doing nothing. He was just trying to protect himself. He's standing there. I'm trying to get him to stop. He's steady charging him.
So I understand that he's trying to defend himself. Did he ever push him back?
No, he never touched him.
Okay.
I swear he never touched. He never even came up on him.
Okay.
Because I was right there in the middle.
But he was trying to get in
But
his face.
he reached out a couple times and touched him, yes. Around me. I know he did a couple times because Gert kept saying, okay, you hit me again, I'm going to hit you back. If you keep touching me, he's like, well, come on. And if you big and bad, put the hammer down and come on, let's fight. And then Gert's like, okay, you're a big man. I'm 60-something years old. I'm not saying that Marcus can hurt Gert. Gert's a strong man too, but come on now, that's a pretty strong man. I'm not going to let my son just hit a 61-year-old man. That's crazy. So yes, he felt defended. He needed to protect himself. He was going crazy. He was pushing me out the door. I don't want to go to the paramedics.
Okay.
I have to go to the paramedics.
So we
Okay,
got.
I'll be right back with you. You guys
I
can.
don't want to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look. Do you want to prosecute?
I'm gonna calm down. I promise.
I'll go to court about it.
You will.
I'll
You want
have
to?
you take-
You want to have to go to? Okay.
Yeah.
Right
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
orders,
Yes, ma'am.
when I went to the paramedics and I got in the accident,
'Cause I done gave this young man
the paramedics said it was fine.
Not
They
enough
wanted
time to
take
get
me.
yourself
They said
together.
as long
Quit
as I-
with me.
afterwards, I
Was there
okay.
anyone else in the house? I know
And
that
I
they
went
mentioned
by
the
myself.
daughter. How old is she?
She's like 28.
Okay.
20.
I'll probably talk to her
Yes,
as well.
ma'am.
So just go ahead and wait right here, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay. Okay. So, what happened? What'd you see? What'd you hear? Like.
So
Okay.
he just like goes off the wall sometimes. But today they went to screaming loud.
Who was screaming?
My mom yelling
And
at
who?
my brother to
Okay.
stop, and it was like real aggressively louder than normal. So that would maybe came downstairs.
Okay. So you were upstairs.
Yeah,
Heard it.
in my
Came
room.
downstairs. Okay.
Came downstairs, and he was all in Gert's face, like trying to charge Gert. And so I stepped into it to try to push him back with my mom, and he was pushing my mom downstairs and stuff, trying to get to Gert. And he just kept trying to get to Gert.
Where did it start? So I know that they came down the stairs with the
I
start
mean,
in
they
the
was
living
never
room.
upstairs. I was upstairs.
Yeah, were they in
were
the living
downstairs.
room,
Yeah,
or-
Gert was on the couch in the living room,
Okay.
sleeping. I just walked past him. He was on the couch sleeping.
Or relaxing or sleeping
Yeah,
or something.
something.
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
my brother would be in the back of the house.
Yep.
In the back by
On the first
back
floor?
door. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Everybody's on the first floor.
Gotcha.
So I don't know when they began to fight. I just heard them already in action, and I came down and they were already in action.
Okay.
But the whole time, my brother was the main one trying to, grab Gert, and that was the problem.
Okay. Was your mom in between, or where?
Yeah,
were you
she was
guys?
standing like my brother was in this little front porch.
Yeah,
right?
this front right area.
Gert was out here, and my mom was on the stairs, like pushing my brother back in the house.
Okay.
He was charging her, so she's like damn near falling down the stairs. Then we
Were
get
they
out
trying
here.
to get Marcus out of the house initially? or-
Yes.
Okay.
But he would
And then
not
they ended
go.
up kind of like.
Mhm.
Okay.
Let's go that way. And then everybody was out here.
Did you ever see Gert push Marcus or anything?
No.
Nothing like
Marcus
that.
was trying to attack Gert. Gert held the hammer the whole time, which everybody could tell him to put it down. But he never swung it or anything.
So he never swung it.
No,
He never
he
hit
just
Gert,
held it.
Never touched
It
Gert.
just was telling
Okay.
Marcus that he was going to hit him with it if he did.
If he kept
Yeah.
coming at him. Okay.
But he did keep coming at him.
Yeah.
But Gert never hit him.
Yeah. Okay. I saw you guys out here yelling. So.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That's Marcus is the reason my mom is.
Did he hit you at all? Push you at all? Or
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you.
9/May. Applicable statute State of Florida. Section 784.03. Battery intentional. Unconsented contact. No injury required. Misdemeanor 1 degree. Section 784.021. Aggravated assault. Deadly weapon. Intentional unlawful threat plus apparent ability plus well-founded fear. Felony 3 degrees. Section 784.082C. Age-enhanced battery victim is greater than or equal to 65 years old offense elevated to felony 3 degrees, up to 5 years. Section 776.012. Stand your ground. Use of force justified. Use of force if reasonable belief of imminent unlawful harm. No duty to retreat when lawfully present. Section 776.032. Immunity from criminal prosecution. Not a trial defense. A pre-trial threshold bar to prosecution. Must be resolved before any charge proceeds. Section 776.041. Initial aggressor exception, stand your ground immunity, is forfeited by the party who first provoked the use of force. Section 776.013. Home protection divided by dwelling. Resident, no duty to retreat. Visitor, no equivalent protection. 7-month residency equals lawful presence under Florida law. Section 741.29. Mandatory domestic violence report written report required regardless of arrest. Failure to file equals statutory non-compliance.
And so, what happened today?
I just went to the store, Walmart, came home, and I went in the kitchen.
Okay.
And that was it.
Well, what was it? What happened? Did you get in an argument with someone?
He got mad because my mom got mad
Your mom got mad. Why was she mad?
because I went in the kitchen.
Okay.
That was
Did she tell you not to go in the kitchen, or?
No. She just went in the kitchen. She gets mad at me going in the kitchen because Gert's in there. I know
Okay.
who he is.
Okay. Did you get in an argument with Gert?
No.
Okay, well, what happened? Well, I saw you guys all out here arguing. They must have said something. He must have said something.
You saw him with a hammer, right?
Okay.
Did you-
What did
yes
he
or
do
no?
with it?
Yes or no? He's trying to swing and hit me with it.
I saw him with it briefly, but what was he doing with it?
Trying to hit me with it. Attack me with it. And did you see him with it? She said it's cameras that seen him with it. Did you see him with it?
Okay. I didn't really see him with it,
But
I was down the street.
Okay.
Okay, so what were you arguing about? Like,
I
why
don't
was he
know.
trying to hit you with a hammer?
I
He
don't
must
know.
have said something to you, because
No,
I
I
don't
don't
believe he
know.
wasn't saying
I
anything.
don't know.
You don't know. So you went in the kitchen.
Yep.
You start arguing with your mom.
No.
You said she got upset.
Yeah, because I went in the kitchen. That was it.
So in the kitchen, then he, what? He just grabbed a hammer?
Because he said he was gonna beat me up. I'm swinging.
Okay, did you say anything back to him?
No, I said do it.
You said do it?
Yep, damn right, do it. Bitch. I ain't scared.
Why
of
would you say do it?
Because I ain't scared of him.
Okay.
So he had a hammer. You saw him with it. He was trying to attack me with a hammer.
Alright, did you push him or anything?
No.
You didn't push him back?
Nope, nothing.
You're saying you didn't say anything at all to him. Where was he at in the house? If you were in the kitchen, your mom was in the kitchen,
He was
right?
in the living room.
He was in the living room on the couch.
On the couch.
Okay.
You can go in there and see him on the couch. He does not live here. He's homeless.
He says he's been living here for a bit.
Okay, I've been living here for a bit.
Does he know your mom?
Yeah, we all know him. Since
he
I
like-
was a kid,
So he's like a friend?
I guess.
Okay.
That's my mom.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you mean? I don't have probable cause for him.
Okay, first of all, she said she saw him with a hammer. You see a hammer on the floor. That's
He was
not-
holding it. We didn't see him do anything with it.
He was trying to swing it with me, hit me.
I didn't see that.
Well, it's on camera. So that's proper cause. 'Cause I went to jail.
That
Well,
he's holding it.
I
He
went.
didn't do anything with it.
He was swinging at me, ma'am.
Okay, I also have other people saying the complete opposite.
Well, you have on the camera, because she said she seen on camera of him with a hammer.
Okay, like I said, of him holding it.
But that's still proper cause.
For what?
Thank you.
Okay, well, I don't have probable cause for that.
So
Based
I
on everything that I've got gathered here, I don't have probable cause
so
for him
what,
trying to hit you with a hammer
so he just grabbed the hammer for no reason.
to protect himself.
And I do I have a so I can pick up a hammer and protect myself too.
If he was attacking you,
Oh, so
that's not what happened.
Okay, so
you
what?
didn't have a hammer, did you?
So no.
Okay,
So was I attacking him?
that's what they're saying.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, you want to have him continue checking you out?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just waiting for my partner to get here with the mom.
Okay, I get my shoes and socks.
I'll go ask him if we can get your shoes.
Yeah,
What do your
class-
shoes look like?
I don't know.
But they're in the back?
No, they're in the living room.
Okay.
I went to jail for proper cause for not even having anything in my hand. And you seen it with him, a camera and everything else.
I'd say we'll talk more. Let this man do
Let
his
him
job
check
and-
you out.
Where is my partner?
No,
Who's
that's
over
just
there? What's his
crazy.
name?
I went to jail
Ryan.
for proper cause
Ryan,
for seeing a
your
hammer
partner is
on a
requesting
pole,
your
a pole on the ground, and you see a hammer. That's proper cause.
Now we can yell.
And that's what I have.
'Cause that's my
I went to jail
officer.
for that.
Oh, is it?
For a police
That's
seeing
why he
something
smiles.
on the ground.
Yeah, yeah.
And everyone said
They should
that I
take this
had
and
it
rule
in my
someone's
hand.
mandatory.
And that proper cause?
For what, before? Something that happened before?
No, I'm saying
He
if
just needs to settle.
I call you and say somebody's trying to attack me with a hammer, and you don't see me with a hammer in my hand, and you see one on the ground.
No one said that you had a hammer.
Just stop. Just listen what I'm saying, okay, man?
I'm listening.
So if I call you and say someone's attacking me with a hammer, and you don't see a hammer in that person's hand, or you see on the ground, is that probably cause?
No,
It's
I
not?
need proof that that happened. Your statement alone is not enough.
Okay, so proof. Like you said, proof. She said she saw on camera that's him not holding the hammer in his hand.
No, I saw him with my own
Oh,
eyes.
with his own eyes.
Okay, here's the thing. You pushed him.
No one took
Witnesses
it.
are saying that you
Oh.
put hands on first. As a result, he picked up the hammer to defend whomever, to
Okay,
include
like I
himself.
said, witness.
Okay.
Is 1. Probable cause analysis. Fourth Amendment. Probable cause analysis. Fourth Amendment. Probable cause analysis. Fourth Amendment. Probable cause analysis. Over then. Is 1. Probable cause analysis. Over then. Is 1. Probable cause analysis. Over then. Is 1. Over then. Is 1. Probable cause analysis. Over then. Is 1. Comment to Dodd Vito to Mark. Over then. Is 1. Comment to Dodd Vito to Mark. Beck v. Ohio, 379 U.S. 891964. Warrantless arrest. Requires facts sufficient to warrant a prudent person's reasonable belief a crime was committed. Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Probable cause evaluated under totality of circumstances. No single factor is alone determinative. Applied 3 corroborating independent accounts versus 1 disputed counterclaim. Under Gates, corroboration pattern supports PC for battery. Under Beck, PC for aggravated assault does not attach. Key distinction: possession is not equal to threat. A weapon held passively does not satisfy the threatening act element required for assault under Section 784.021. No independent witness confirmed the weapon was raised or swung. Physical evidence hammer on ground is ambiguous, not dispositive. Ambiguous evidence cannot substitute for a confirmed threatening act. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. Officers may arrest for any offense, however minor, when PC exists. Decision not to arrest for battery equals discretionary, not legally required. When on-scene PC is marginal or legally contested, referral to the state attorney for warrant review is the constitutionally correct alternative to warrantless arrest. Section 776.0123. Required elements. Read. Reasonable belief force was necessary. RE. Lawful presence at the location. Did not initially provoke the use of force. Critical. The statute protects threatened use of force explicitly. Holding a tool plus issuing a verbal warning equals threatened force. This is protected conduct, not a criminal act. Section 776.032. Immunity is pre-trial. The court must determine immunity before prosecution begins. The arresting officer's role is to assess PC, not adjudicate immunity. Dual immunity conflict. When both parties claim self-defense, both may hold colorable immunity under Section 776.032. Section 776.041. Initial aggressor rule. The party who first applied unconsented force loses stand your ground protection. Determining that party equals question of fact for the trier of fact. Residency matters. Section 776.013. Residence 7 months. Full dwelling protection. No duty to retreat. Visitor arrived same day. No equivalent statutory protection. ROOL distinctions in this case. ROOL distinctions. Battery, Section 784.03 versus assault, Section 784.011, Section 784.021. Battery equals completed contact. Assault equals credible threat creating well-founded fear. These are distinct offenses with distinct evidentiary standards. PC for battery supported 3 witnesses confirm unconsented pushing. Section 784.03, age-enhanced provision may apply. Section 784.08, felony 3 degrees. PC for aggravated assault, not supported. No witness confirmed a threatening act with the weapon. Stand your ground immunity provides an additional prosecutorial bar. 7.3 lessons learned. Legal takeaways, 7.3 lessons. Learned legal takeaways, 7.3 lessons learned. Number 8. Probable cause in mutual aggressor disputes requires independent corroboration, not just majority of accounts. The independence of each witness is as critical as the number. Stand your ground creates a dual immunity problem when both parties claim defensive justification. Resolution requires a factual hearing, not on-scene judgment. Weapon possession is not equal to weapon threat. Each element of Section 784.021 must be established independently. A tool held defensively is not without more an assault. Residency status is a legally consequential fact. Officers should document residency duration and basis as part of any stand-your-ground preliminary assessment. When PC is legally marginal, warrantless arrest is not required. Investigative documentation plus state attorney referral is both legally sound and constitutionally safer.